Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain RK method with step size. Question is find y of 0.2 using RK method of fourth order. So RK method can also called as RK method of fourth order. And given that dy by dx is equals to x plus x square y comma y of 0 is equals to 1. With step size h is equals to 0.1. In previous video I did one problem by using RK method, but there we don't have any step size. Here I mentioned step size. So given dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to x plus x square y, and y of 0 is equals to 1, h is equals to 0.1. We have to compare this the general form of equation. So dy by dx is equals to y dash is equals to f of x comma y, and y of x0 is equals to y0. In place of f of x comma y we are having x plus x square y. In place of x0 we are having 0. In place of y0 we are having 1. That I written here. Find y value at 0.2, that is y value at x is equals to 0.2 by using step size h is equals to 0.1. So here table x y, x0 is 0, y0 is 1. To find x1, that means y of x1, so here x1 will become x0 plus h. In previous video x1 will become this 0.2 directly, but here x1 will become 0 plus 0.1, that means x1 is equals to previous x0 plus step size. If they mention step size, x1 will become x0 plus h. For x2, x1 plus h. x2, x1 plus h. For x3, x2 plus h. And we need to find y1, y2 by using RK method. So RK method formula is y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So from this we know y0 value. Y0 value is 1. We don't know k1, k2, k3, k4 like that. So k1 means h into f of x0 comma y0. H value is 0.1. F of x0 value 0, y0 value 1. So f of 0 comma 1 is in the form of f of x comma y is equal to x plus x square y. So f of 0 comma 1, f of 0 comma 1 will become, in place of x we are having 0, here 0, plus in place of x square 0 into 1, 0. K1 will become 0.1 into 0. 0.1 into 0 is, K1 is 0. And K2, h into f of x0 plus 1 by 2 into h comma y0 plus 1 by 2 into K1. H value is 0.1. F x0, x0 is 0 plus 1 by 2, and h value 0.1 comma y0 value is 1 plus 1 by 2 into k1 is 0. So 0.1 f of 0.05 comma 1. So this is in the form of x comma y, x plus x square y. So f of 0.05 comma 1. In place of x we are having 0.05 plus 0.05 x square, and y means into 1. In place of y we are having 1. So 1. So equation 0.05250. The answer is 0.05250. So in this question they didn't mention any decimal value. So in some questions they will mention find up to 3 decimals, up to 4 decimals. So you can take anything for this question. So K2 is equals to 0.00525. And find K3 in a same manner. This is the formula. So substitute all values, and these are very easier. So we have to do like this only, for as we did like K1, K2 only. So we will get 0.0525 for f of this. So we need to substitute here 0.1 into 0.05251, K3 value, and K4. Same procedure. Need to substitute the values in this equation and you have to solve. You get 0.01101. So K1, K2, K3, K4 values we need to substitute in y1 equation. So this is y1 equation. By substituting all values we get 1.005. This is y1. But here we need to find y1 value and y2 value. So y2 value. So here x2, y of 0.2 is this. So need to find y2. For y2 this is the formula, y1 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So in place of, for y1 equation, in place of y0, we get y0. In place of y2, in place of y0, we get y1. So I will display all the formulas. So for y2 is y1 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So k1, k2, k3, k4 values we need to find. K1 is equals to h into f of x1 comma y1. So for y2, sorry, for y1 in previous y1, so we had got here x0 comma y0. For y2, here x1 comma y1. There is a small change for y1, y2 like that. So I will display that also. So for this k1 formula is this 0.1 into f of x1 value 0.1, y1 value 1.0. So this is in the form of f of x comma y, x plus x square y. So we need to substitute the values here and we get k1. So in the same manner we have to do k2, k3 and k4. So this is for k2 and this is for k3. This is the formula and substitute the values and find k3. And this is k4. So by substituting all the values you will get y2 value 1.017. You need to write this y1 and y2 value in the tabular column.